Hi guys! Welcome back to Bonus Kitchen. Today, we will make moist chocolate chip muffins. Let's get baking! We will need 2 3/4 cups of plain flour, 1 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips, 1 1/4 cup of fresh milk, 1 cup of white sugar, half cup of melted unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. To start, sieve together the flour, baking powder, and salt. And give it a whisk. In another bowl, add the butter, fresh milk, sugar, and mix them together. Add in the sour cream, eggs, and vanilla extract. Then, add the dry ingredients, mix them together until well incorporated. You can start slow at first to prevent the flour from going anywhere or to prevent mess. Now, set aside some chocolate chips for the toppings later. Then, fold in the remaining chocolate chips with the mixture . Scoop the mixture and pour it in a cupcake tray and fill it almost full. Now, put some chocolate chips on top. Bake this in a preheated oven of 200 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes. Then, lower it to 175 degrees Celsius and continue baking for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And here's our finished product! These muffins are so moist, soft, and full of chocolate chips. And this is what it looks like inside. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!